Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off high contrast theme in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 or other contrast functions that are turned on and we want to have default settings. So settings first, then we're looking for accessibility options, accessibility, and here we have visibility enhancements. In here is our high contrast. We can go back to default by choosing this setting here, apply, and now our phone came back to its default settings. We can of course use other themes as well, setups, and we can change however we want it in this little menu. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.